friend, Dad. Nobody likes these slabs. A little pop out. That's what you don't want to happen. Hardcore enduro riders. Here's our boys, hard enduros. They're straight through, no messing. So our mate Mike's through, no messing. Fair play, lads. Straight up, son. Good lad. Come on, Grant. Good lad. Nice lines, Ken. It's fucking treacherous, that. Just very slowly. Up high, up high. That's it, that's it. And then just drop down. Very slowly. You got it. That's it, steady. What up, Mike? I don't know whether the camera's capturing this, but it ain't getting any harder than this. You know, it's impossible to get harder. Rocky slabs. I wouldn't want to go up it. I hope we're not going up it. Gotta try and look ahead. There's no way I could do hard enduro, because this is easy hard enduro and I'm blowing, literally puffing and panting. It's a beautiful lane though. They call this the highway, I think it's called the highway. Oh, this one's called the flyway. I've definitely gone the wrong way there. Big 350s. Nothing too crazy. A little lug. Just keep it rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Somebody be with that lip. I don't want to be me. When there ain't no one right in front of you, you get a much better look at the trail. When you're right behind someone, all you can see is the first foot in front of you, where you don't want to be looking there, you want to be looking into that corner. We're not worrying about any of these obstacles, we're just riding through them. If there's someone right in front of you, you're conscious of crashing into them. And then here's the first little pop. So you saw that little pebble back there, and let that be your pebble pop. Everyone loves a pebble pop. I don't know what this orange stuff is in this water, but I'm gonna have them in here. Pretty deep. Up to the number plates. about this bike is because the suspension shop has lowered it for me. Well, for Chris, the guy I bought the bike from. It's like a big wheel 85, so you can get your feet down. Don't get me wrong, I still fall off it quite a bit, but you're not falling off for no reason. The flame out's an issue on these 4-strokes. If you're in like second gear like this and you get complacent with the res, sometimes you can find that little stool like that, exactly like that, and if you can't touch the ground, that's when you're falling off. So because I can touch the groundus, I saved it, and now oh, there's a sump. We just hit sump there, Dad. All this faffing about. Space is your friend.